1. Define any four of the following: molar volume, stoichiometry, molar heat of vaporization, viscosity, electrode potential, molar volume. The molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at STP, which is 22.4 cubic decimeters, or liters. Stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a chemical reaction. Molar heat of vaporization. The molar heat of vaporization is the amount of heat required to convert 1 mole of a liquid into vapor at its boiling point without change in temperature. Viscosity. Viscosity is the resistance offered by a liquid to flow due to internal friction between its molecules. Electrode potential. The electrode potential is the measure of the tendency of an electrode to lose or gain electrons when it is in contact with its ions in solution. OR differentiate any two of the following. 1. Crystalline solid and amorphous solid. 2. Positive catalyst and negative catalyst. 3. Electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. 1. Crystalline solid versus amorphous solid. Number 1. Have a regular and orderly arrangement of particles. Have an irregular arrangement of particles. Number 2. Possess a definite melting point. Do not have a sharp melting point. Number 3. Show anisotropy. Different properties in different directions. Show isotropy. Same properties in all directions. Number 4. Examples: sodium chloride, sugar, quartz. Examples: glass, rubber, plastic. 2. Positive catalyst versus negative catalyst. Number 1. Increases the rate of a chemical reaction, decreases the rate of a chemical reaction. Number 2. Does not get consumed in the reaction, does not get consumed in the reaction. Number 3. Lowers activation energy, increases effective resistance to reaction. Number 4. Example: manganese 4 oxide in decomposition of potassium hypochlorite. Example: glycerol in decomposition of hydrogen oxide. 3. Electrolytic cell versus electrochemical cell. Number 1. Converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Number 2. Reaction is non-spontaneous. Reaction is spontaneous. Number 3. Requires an external power supply. Does not require external power. Number 4. Example: electrolysis of water. Example: Daniell cell.